Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Realme 9 and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So basically all we have to do is to simply open the recents, and depending what kind of navigation type you've got set, you can do it differently. So if you've got the buttons, all you have to do is to simply tap on the three bars icon. It will be either here or here, depending on what kind of order you've got set. But if you've got the gestures, then all you have to do is to simply swipe your finger up gently and hold it somewhere here, just like that. And as you can see here, we've got all previously opened apps. If you want to, you can close only one of it. Just find it, for example, the settings, and swipe it up just like that. But if you want to close all of them because you've got a lot of apps opened, just tap on close all. As you can see, we just got back to the home page, so let's enter the recents to check. And here we've got no recent items, which means that we just successfully closed all background apps. So actually this is it. This is how to turn off running apps in your Realme 9. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.